Have you ever wondered what's the most effective and natural way to improve your kidney health? Our kidneys are unsung heroes, silently working to keep us healthy every single day. But what exactly do they do, and why is their health so important? Our kidneys act as a vital filtration system in our bodies. They filter around a half cup of blood per minute, eliminating waste and excess fluids. Additionally, they maintain the balance of crucial substances like sodium, calcium, phosphorus, and potassium, supporting the proper function of nerves, muscles, and tissues. Moreover, kidneys play a key role in regulating blood pressure and producing hormones that aid in blood pressure control, red blood cell production, and bone health maintenance. So, how can we keep our kidneys happy and healthy? One of the best ways is by nourishing them with natural, nutrient-rich food. You see, nature has provided us with an abundance of foods that are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for our kidney health. Today, we are exploring the 10 best superfoods to help boost kidney health. We will talk about their major nutrient compounds and the key attributes that contribute to the benefit of kidney health. Eating the right foods is key to supporting your hardworking kidneys. Cauliflower, a versatile cruciferous vegetable, boasts a nutrient-rich profile that can benefit kidney health. Scientific studies indicate its abundance of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, pivotal for cellular protection and reducing kidney inflammation. Rich in vitamin C, folate, and vitamin K, it supports immune function and bone health. With a low potassium content, cauliflower is suitable for individuals with kidney concerns. A half cup provides minimal sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, ideal for kidney health. Recommended intake involves incorporating cauliflower into a balanced diet. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd, emerges as a potent ally for kidney health. Bursting with vital nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, and folate, it boasts antioxidant compounds that combat oxidative stress. While traditionally used for managing diabetes, studies reveal its potential in regulating blood sugar levels. Moreover, research on mice highlights its impact on kidney function, suggesting cautious long-term consumption. Incorporating bitter melon into your diet offers potential benefits for kidney health, but moderation is key. To enjoy bitter melon, try adding it to stir-fries, soups, or salads, or enjoy it as juice, stuffed and baked for a flavorful and nutritious meal. Let's dive into the nutrient-rich waters of sea bass and its potential benefits for kidney health. Packed with high-quality protein, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids, this delectable fish offers a bounty of nutrients that support kidney function. Research suggests that omega-3s from seafood may lower the risk of chronic kidney disease. The dietary guidelines for Americans suggest consuming a minimum of 8 ounces of fish weekly, based on a 2,000-calorie diet. Enjoy sea bass 2 to 3 times a week as part of a balanced diet, but be mindful of mercury content. Opt for sustainably sourced sea bass to protect both your health and the ocean's delicate ecosystem. Garlic, the culinary powerhouse with a punchy flavor, offers more than just taste. It packs a potent punch for kidney health. Rich in allicin and organosulfur compounds, garlic showcases antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially benefiting those with chronic kidney disease. Its diuretic properties stimulate kidney function, aiding toxin elimination, while its blood pressure regulating abilities alleviate stress on blood vessels. To maximize the health benefits of garlic, crush or chop it and allow it to sit for 15 minutes before cooking. This process enhances the production of allicin's potent antioxidant compounds, ensuring you reap the maximum benefits for kidney health and overall well-being. Enjoy garlic in moderation to enhance dishes without overindulging, but be mindful of processed garlic products' sodium content. Embrace the goodness of raw garlic cautiously, reaping its cholesterol-lowering benefits. Blueberries, those vibrant gems of nature, offer a wealth of benefits for kidney health. Rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, they shield against heart disease and inflammation, crucial for kidney well-being. Low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, they're ideal for kidney diets, while their fiber content supports overall health. Studies show blueberries improve diabetic markers and renal function in animal models. Enjoy them in moderation. 1 cup is a serving, and beware of processed versions with added sugars. Buckwheat, a versatile and nutrient-rich grain, offers potential benefits for kidney health. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, it shields cells from damage and inflammation. Its low phosphorus content makes it an excellent choice for kidney-friendly diets, while moderate oxalate levels pose minimal risk for stone formation. Studies suggest buckwheat may help regulate blood pressure and improve lipid profiles. Stay hydrated and consider adopting the DASH diet, emphasizing whole grains like buckwheat. Consult your healthcare provider, especially if prone to kidney stones, to tailor dietary choices. Eggplant, or aubergine, boasts a blend of flavor and health perks beneficial for kidney health. Loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins and nazeanin, it shields cells from harm. With low levels of potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, it's a smart choice for kidney diets. Eggplant's anti-inflammatory properties aid in managing kidney disease. Although containing oxalates, its levels are generally low, posing minimal risk of kidney stones. Enjoy eggplant mindfully, adding it to your meals to relish its kidney-friendly attributes. Onions, rich in antioxidants like quercetin, offer vital support for kidney health by combating oxidative stress. Their sulfur-containing compounds may also protect kidney function. Additionally, onions provide essential vitamin C, crucial for overall well-being, including kidney health. Incorporate onions into your diet, sautéed with garlic, olive oil, and herbs, for flavorful dishes that nourish without compromising kidney health. However, be cautious with sodium intake and consider moderation, especially for sensitive individuals prone to digestive issues. Turnips are a good source of fiber, which can help promote regularity and digestive health. This can be beneficial for kidney health, as a research found a diet high in fiber may help improve kidney function and reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease. Turnips contain various antioxidants, including vitamin C and glucosinolates. These compounds may help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial for overall health, including kidney health. A study published in the National Institutes of Health (NIH) suggests that antioxidants may help protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress. However, individuals with kidney issues should be cautious of the potassium content in turnips, especially if their kidneys don't function optimally. Enjoy turnips in moderation as part of a balanced diet, incorporating both the roots and greens for a wholesome nutrient boost. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats like oleic acid and antioxidants such as hydroxytyrosol, supports kidney health by combating inflammation and oxidative stress, crucial for individuals with chronic kidney disease. Studies suggest its polyphenol may protect against kidney disease progression. With lower potassium content compared to other oils, extra virgin olive oil is kidney-friendly. Incorporate it into cooking, salads, and marinades, but exercise moderation to avoid health issues. Always consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have kidney disease or related concerns. Our kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining our overall health, and it's essential to take care of them. One of the most effective ways to do this is by nourishing our bodies with natural, nutrient-rich foods. So, let's show our kidneys some love and nourish them with the goodness that nature provides. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Please like and subscribe for more insights into the science behind healthy foods and well-being.